Solve a linear system using elimination with multiplication. Solve the following system of equations using elimination and verify your solution. 3x plus 2y equals 19. Y equals 4x minus 7. Step 1. Write the system. This is equation 1. 3x plus 2y equals 19. This is equation 2. Y equals 4x minus 7. Step 2. Line up x and y. Convert the second equation into standard form. Ax plus by equals c. So that x and y line up. 4x minus y equals 7. Step 3. Decide which variable to eliminate. Coefficients of x. Equation 1 plus 3. Equation 2 plus 4. Coefficients of y. Equation 1 plus 2. Equation 2 negative 1. The x coefficients are not easy to match, but the y coefficients can be made equal quickly, so it is easier to eliminate y. To eliminate y, multiply equation 2 by 2. Step 4. Multiply equation 2. 4x minus y equals 7 times 2. We get 8x minus 2y equals 14. Now rewrite the system. Equation 1. 3x plus 2y equals 19. Equation 2. New. 8x minus 2y equals 14. Step 5. Add the equations. Here the signs are opposite, so we will add the equations. Let's add the equations. Combine. 3x plus 8x equals 11x. 2y minus 2y equals 0. 19 plus 14 equals 33. So 11x equals 33. X equals 3. Step 6. Substitute the value of x. Now substitute x equals 3 into the simple equation. 3x plus 2y equals 19. 3 times 3 plus 2y equals 19. 9 plus 2y equals 19. 2y equals 10. Y equals 5. Step 7. Final answer. The point of intersection is x, y equals 3, 5. Step 8. Verify solution. Check in equation 1. 3x plus 2y equals 19. 3 times 3 plus 2 times 5 equals 19. So 19 equals 19. Check in equation 2. Y equals 4x minus 7. 5 equals 4 times 3 minus 7. So 5 equals 5. Both equations check out. So our solution is correct. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more math videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.